Accessing commands. There are all kinds of ways which we can access a command in AutoCAD. We can do things like go up to the application menu. We could actually get them from the ribbon. We can get them from shortcut menus. We can get them from our quick access toolbar. We can get them down here from our status bar, from our file tabs. There's just a variety of ways in which we can usually get a particular command. One of the other methods we can do is using the command line. Down here in this area, we can click down in here and we can type in the name of a command, such as line. And then we hit enter and we get the line command. Now I'm going to hit escape to get out of that. But notice when I started the type, L, and one of the options for line is just L. That's called the alias, the command alias. This is a short way of typing it in. But notice as I start typing LI, all the commands that start with LI start showing up. And then I get to LIN, and I can see there's line type, line weight, etc. So as I go LIN, for example, I can see that, oh, there's different commands here. So I can type in LIN, and these things help me out with the spelling essentially. I can come down the line and look for any particular command I want, and when I find the one I want, I can click on it here and it will choose that command. So this is called an autocomplete command. So if I don't know how to spell a particular command, let's say I don't know how to spell circle, I can start typing it in and I can see, there's a command right there, circle. I can click on the circle and start my circle command. So this is called complete feature, and it helps us find commands with not knowing how to spell them, which is good. Also, that means we don't have to memorize as much. But command line typing is a little slow. One, not everybody's a fast typer. Two, you have to remember how to spell them. I can come up to the line tool up here in the ribbon bar, and I don't have to type it in. I don't have to remember how to spell it, and it's heads up design. In other words, I can look at whatever I'm drawing and not take my eyes off of it. When I go down and have to type on the keyboard, I take my eyes away from it. So there's a benefit from using the ribbon tools, is that you don't have to take your eyes off to type. So we can access commands in many different ways. We can go from the buttons in the ribbons. We can type it in the full command name like line. We could type in L for command alias. We could use shortcuts, and we could say we want to repeat the circle command, and we could right click down here and we could actually pick different commands off of different menus. So there's different ways of accessing a command, and there's always said there's about 5 ways to do anything in AutoCAD, and that's roughly true. So accessing command.